Hello, puzzlers! Welcome back to Garb Studio. Get ready to take a time-traveling trip through some of history's most fascinating moments. We've got 20 mind-bending general knowledge questions to test your historical prowess. Buckle up and prepare to be quizzed on everything from ancient empires to groundbreaking discoveries. Let's see if you're a history whiz or need to brush up on your past. Number 1. Which ancient civilization built the pyramids? Egyptian. Number 2. What was the primary language of the Roman Empire? Latin. Number 3. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington. Number 4. Who wrote the Iliad and the Odyssey? Homer. Number 5. In which year did the Berlin Wall fall? (1989). Number 6. Which empire was ruled by Genghis Khan? Mongol Empire. Number 7. Who was the first female Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? Margaret Thatcher. Number 8. The Renaissance began in which country? Italy. Number 9. What was the primary cause of the American Civil War? Slavery. Number 10. Who discovered the New World in 1492? Christopher Columbus. Number 11. The Great Wall of China was primarily built during which dynasty? Ming Dynasty. Number 12. Who was the Egyptian queen known for her relationships with Julius Caesar and Mark Antony? Cleopatra. Number 13. The 100 Years' War was fought between which two countries? England and France. Number 14. What was the name of the first artificial Earth satellite launched by the Soviet Union in 1957? Sputnik. Number 15. The Sumerians, known for creating one of the first written scripts, lived in which region? Mesopotamia. Number 16. Which empire was known for its road network, including the famous Royal Road? Persian Empire. Number 17. Who led the Indian independence movement against British rule? Mahatma Gandhi. Number 18. Which treaty ended World War I? Treaty of Versailles. Number 19. The Inca Empire was primarily located in which modern-day country? Peru. 20. The Battle of Hastings in 1066 was fought between the Normans and which other group? Anglo-Saxons. All right, history buffs, how'd you fare on that journey through time? Acing it or need a history book trip? Share your comments below. Like and subscribe for more adventures in the past. See you next time.